Python is a like programming language, ma'am. Like
Okay.
nowadays it's like used more, ma'am, because it's efficient.
Okay. Chalo. It is good. That little bit you have already learned about the Python also. Okay. Aryan, yes, Aryan.
Actually, I like technology very much. Technology very much. It is very efficient. It is very efficiently used, and it is easy to use. Because if we learn coding, we can use any technology easily.
Okay, good. Yes, COVID.
Ma'am, the subject of computer science help us to learn about basic learning of programming and would help us to further make websites and for applications and would also help us to pursue our career in software engineering or IT field, IT professionals.
Very good. Vanshika. Vanshika. Vanshika, you raise your hand. Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, it predicts the tornadoes, earthquakes, and ma'am, it helps in problem solving too.
Different in the different categories in the problem solving and in the various parts of technology. Then you can use the subject is seriously very useful. Acha, one more thing. Okay, but from the class teacher side, I want to ask something from all of you. Are you not able to join the meeting? It means this is a meeting link. Yesterday I gave in your computer science group. Then you joined recently. But I gave another link also in your group for joining the 11th A group.
Ma'am, it is showing that you have requested to join.
Ma'am, we have sent requests to join that group.
And we have sent to requested to join.
Can you join it once again? Let me see about it. I want to solve this query also. एक बच्चा जरा join करिए फटाफट.
Ma'am, I have sent the request to join now.
They are sending the request.
Yes, I'm showing the request is sent.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, anyway. With one or two students, Jayant and Drishan, I can see you. Then later on after this class, I will contact you. Better, okay, for joining that, for solving that problem. Because I was searching that ki बच्चे अपने आप ही there should be some link that themselves they will join that particular team, right? So I was searching for that. Otherwise, I need to adjust one student. Okay,
Ma'am, it's actually showing that the link is private, so it needs a request.
Okay. I will solve the problem. One more thing, in the WhatsApp group, kindly you need to send your name with I will give a particular format to all of you. Okay. Now, actually, I adjusted my section there of 11th A computer science. Then after that, you need to send your name with your admission number and your subjects once again, all of you. I will note down separately. Okay, because there is a confusion little bit that how many students are there, because it is showing there the students 67 students are there, but only 27 or 26 are joining. Okay, so I need to check, and once again I will maintain a particular list. Yeah, fine. You can say Hanji. Only 27 students are. It is showing 27 students only. Okay, one more thing, beta, for the computer science, those students who have finally decided for the computer science kindly purchase the book Preeti Arora. Okay, kindly write the author. Preeti Arora, computer science for class 11th, right? You need to purchase. Secondly, you need to maintain one register for your computer science, and it is compulsory for all of you. Okay, daily whatever we are trying and we will do in our class, then you will note down in your register also at the same time. Okay, Preeti Arora is a kind of refresher book for this Python programming language, and this is very good book, right? Small screenshots are there actually. Small screenshots are there, so it will be very easy and very convenient for the students. Noticed? Achha. One more thing, beta. Register I told, and this one also. Number 2, you will download 2 software. Firstly, okay. Firstly, this time I will suggest that you need to download the Python 3.x in your laptops, all of you. 3.x, it means any version. Any version you can download. 3.6, 3.8, 3 point something, then you need to download. Is this fine? So I'm not telling in this class, till the next class, Kali, it should be downloaded in your computers. Because in our subject, we will share the screen, we will share the softwares, and we will learn more and more about the softwares, right? By sharing the screen. Okay, today I will share one PDF. We will discuss little bit about the Python language. Then after that, I will share my software also. Is it okay? Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Last year we used Anaconda, for like actually using Python. So this year, what software?
Anaconda, if you want, then you can use. Actually,
Okay.
I was telling about according to the CBSE curriculum. They told to use the 3.x there. Otherwise, no issues. You can use the same programming language at any another program platform also.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is there any NCERT book for computer science?
Beta NCERT is there, lekin we always use the Preeti Arora only. Okay. So kindly first purchase the Preeti Arora. If there will be some additional things according to the CBSE curriculum and according to the NCERT also, then later on I will discuss about it. I will send the different things in your group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan?
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, always I used to share my some different PDFs. So firstly, my methodology is this. For teaching the computer science, my methodology is this. Ki always I use this one. My PDF, I will discuss the later different things with my PDF. Then after that, I will discuss the same point with the help of software also. Because as you know that our subject is computers, and I'm teaching on computers, right? हम कंप्यूटर ही पढ़ रहे हैं ना कंप्यूटर साइंस में, और हम किस पर पढ़ रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर पर भी पढ़ रहे हैं. तो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ बोर्ड एंड अदर थिंग्स. तो आर वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म इज आर सॉफ्टवेयर. सो वी विल यूज ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऑन द सॉफ्टवेयर ओनली. ठीक है, तो हम डायरेक्टली सॉफ्टवेयर पे करके देखेंगे, जिससे कि वही चीज हमें प्रैक्टिकली भी समझ आएगी कि हो क्या रहा है, एंड साइड बाय साइड. Okay, download as soon as it is possible. Okay, just download your software, then you need to try the same program with me. Okay, if I'm doing something in my computer, at that same time you will do the same program in your computer. Okay, then it will be very helpful for you also. अभी लास्ट टाइम तक तो बैच बड़े आराम से और बड़े इंटरेस्ट लेकर करता था. चलो, we will see for this also, because 11th is always good, right? Chalo. Is this visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. But getting started with Python. In this, I told that in your syllabus, we will discuss about the Python. Okay, we will discuss about the Python. And Python is a kind of programming language. Which kind of programming language? If you have learned about it in your class 10th also. Is this a high level language or the low level language?
High level language.
Okay, who is speaking this?
Madam Sinha.
Aryan, can you help me, bacha? Ki what is the difference between high level language and low level language?
Ma'am, the main difference between the high level language and low level language is that high level language are very difficult to are very difficult to understand, and low level language are easy to understand.
Easy to understand. For example of low level language?
For example, ma'am, alphabet, ma'am, for example, ma'am, some English words.
Actually, there are the two kinds of language better. Okay, first one is the high level language and second one is low level language. If you are using or if you are learning some programming, okay, if as a beginner, if you're learning some programming language, then we always use the high level language. Okay, Python is also the example of high level language. C++, Java, all these programming language are the examples of high level language. But there is, do you know about that between whatever you're doing in your computers, if you're doing something in your computers and between the hardware there is some mediator, it means there is some interaction mode between these two platforms, then what is this called? This is called the low level language. Who's converting the high level language into the computer readable form? This is called the machine language. Have you listened about the machine language?
Binary.
Very
Ma'am,
good. Binary code. This is called the language of 0 and 1. What do you mean by the 0? What do you mean by the 0?
False, one means true.
Yes, 1 means true and 0 means false. Right. Another language of low level language, we can say the assembly language. Okay. Is there anyone knows about the assembly language? Assembly language. Assembly language is a kind of, bolo. Yes, hurry up. Very good.
Ma'am, it's an embedded software.
Embedded software. Like in which kind of embedded softwares? आप कैसे कह सकते हो उसको, क्या करता है वो? What is the use, what is the function of that embedded software? It is basically with the help of assembler. It converts that programming, it play the roles between the high level language, between the Python and the machine language. It converts the role of the mediator between this. Okay, there are some mnemonic codes. Mnemonic codes matlab ki some electronically it converts the one data to another data. Okay, electronically it means, have you seen some electronic devices or something कि कुछ छोटे छोटे तार, कुछ छोटे छोटे wires given होते हैं उसके अंदर, registers, right?
Ma'am, chips in like
हाँ, तो जो भी
any.
चीज होती है electronically, if it is, its order is to convert that software things into that particular another platform, जिससे कि कंप्यूटर उसको हार्डवेयर समझ सके. हार्डवेयर क्या समझता है? Only the language of 0 and 1. Okay, on the language of, that is called the low level language. Okay, so it plays the role of the mediator कि electronically data किस तरीके से transmit करना है from one platform to another platform. Anyway, these are the things only in the theory we discuss about that, but in our course we will learn about the high level language that is called the Python. Fine.
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
already
ma'am.
learned a little about it in our previous classes.
Okay, very good. I will give some assignment also related to the things, because in the junior classes, Anna, in the very previous classes, always students learn about what do you mean the software, hardware, low level language, high level language, binary codes, all these things you have learned about it, right? So kindly refresh it in your mind once again before starting all these things. Okay? Acha. First of all, today all these things we will discuss later with you. First of all, I told that you need to install the Python. I will send this PDF also in your group. Installation process is given here also. Then if anyone who doesn't know about it, that how to install the Python in your computer, kindly read it and install that, right? I think it is very easy to install. You can directly write, download Python, the okay, download Python आप directly लिखोगे ना for this window or for window, then it will open that setup in your computer. Okay, then easily you can download the Python in your computer. Okay, today I will discuss about the software also. Python software is just like this, which is shown on the screen, right? Just like another student was saying ki ma'am, I'm using Anaconda there, then no issues, any platform you can use, but this platform is very basic platform. If you don't know about that how to use Python programming, how to use Python, then you should download this one. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. In this,
Yeah.
ma'am, libraries are pre-installed or ma'am, we need to install, like in basic Python.
In the basic Python, we need to install the other libraries which will be in the class 12th, not in the class 11th.
Actually, we have done in 10th, so ma'am, that's why I'm asking, ma'am. In
No,
Anaconda, it's pre-installed.
wherever you are comfortable, then you can download. My main aim is to learn the programming language, basically.
Ma'am, can we still use Jupyter because it's user friendly very?
Actually, this is user friendly, and for the beginners, I will suggest that you should download this one, this platform, the IDLE for the. Then after that, no issues. Then after that, you can change the software also if you want, right?
Ma'am, I already have Python 3.7, so ma'am, I can use that now.
Okay, very good. ओके, एक काम करते हैं, अब थोड़ा सा सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन करके दिखाते हैं, और तो फॉर द बिगिनर पर्पस आई शुड शेयर दैट. This is the window, right? This is the window. Is this visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the
Yes.
window after downloading. In my computer, I don't download it very basic version of 3.6. Okay, because same version is given in your book also. If you want, then you can download this one. Then after that, this is the idle shell. Basically, okay. Before starting it, I will discuss about the compiler and the interpreter. Is there anyone who knows about the compiler and the interpreter? That what is the use of compiler and what is the use of interpreter? Very good. Jaldi batao. Hurry up.
Ma'am, compiler checks the code, checks the code.
आर्यन क्या बोल रहे हो, मेरे को क्लियर नहीं हुआ.
Ma'am, compiler checks the code.
A compiler checks the code, the whole code. Okay.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
compiler checks the whole code in one go. Okay. वो क्या करता है compiler? जितना भी आप लिख रहे हो, whatever you are writing in your program, okay, it checks that program, it execute that program in one go and find the error, execute that one. But interpreter always, okay, interpreter का behavior कैसा होता है? Its behavior is always like this, that it will check line by line, statement and side by side it will give the error in that. It will execute that. Line by line execute करता है और compiler पूरे whole code को one go में execute करता है. Okay, just like this. That if I'm writing the very basic command, I think ये चीज आपने देखी भी होगी, पढ़ी होगी, but we will start from the very basic things. Okay, that print. यहाँ पर क्या लिखा? Welcome to class 11th A. Okay, here I'm writing a particular code here. Print welcome to class 11th A. What is the use of print here? I'm giving some specific command there. It is explaining that. It is displaying that welcome to class 11th A. It means its order is this, just like this. It means the purpose of this command is this. Whatever I'm writing in double quotation mark, it means as it is. It needs to print on the screen. अब ये देखो, welcome to 11th A आ गया. As it is. It means I gave one order to print command. Go and print welcome to class 11th A, because it is written in the double quotation marks and this order is already given to the print statements. Whatever we are writing in the double quotation mark in the bracket, its syntax is like this, then it will print the same statement on the screen. Is there any doubt in that?
No, mom.
Achha, one more thing I want to discuss. Beta, I told that I used one command here. One command. What is the command here? Print is the command here. What is the command? Print is the command here. So which kind of command I am using in that? Actually, to the programming language, the programming words, whatever the characters you are using for writing the programs, they are the two sections. Okay, the two types of things then you are writing in your programming language. One is called the keyword, and that is called. Now, first of all, I will discuss that. That is called a token. It means a single word. If you are writing a particular program in your computer, okay, let's say in your program there are 10 words or 10 lines or 50 lines. Okay, a particular word is called a token. क्या कहते हैं उसको?
Ma'am, token.
ठीक है, but token is divided in various sections. So firstly, we will discuss about the two sections. The first is keyword and the second one is identifier. First is keyword, second is identifier. So what is keyword? Okay, Python has its own library. Python has its own library. Have you seen your dictionary, English dictionary? देखी है आपने अपनी? देखी है ना सबने? हाँ.
Yes,
उसमें
ma'am.
क्या होता है? उसमें क्या होता है? If I'm telling कि go and search this related word, तो definitely you will search that particular word in that particular section. कि A से related आपके word कहाँ पर है, B से related आपके word कहाँ पर है. Definitely according to that, according to a particular planning, you will go in that section. अगर मैं पूरा ही search करने बैठ जाऊंगी कि वो कहाँ पर है, तो I will be not able. ठीक है? To search that particular word, उसके लिए मुझे systematically वो एक तरीके से लाइब्रेरी है और लाइब्रेरी के उस सेक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा. Is it fine? तो इसी तरीके से आपका बेटा Python has its own library. Okay, according to the functionality of computers, according to the different functions, there are some keywords, reserved keywords are fixed in the Python library. Okay, जो words already fixed हैं, they have some specific meaning. This is called keywords. It means you cannot change its meaning or its spelling. Just like the print is also keyword and print has its meaning. What's the meaning of print? It means its order is that it needs to give the output on the screen. समझ आया? Okay.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
I'm using another word there, just like this, a single or simple word I'm using here. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा A equals to 9. Now I am Now I am printing this A there. ठीक है, मैंने क्या किया, उसको प्रिंट करवा दिया A को. So what is the meaning of that? It means I'm taking a word A और A के अंदर what we are storing a particular value in that. What is the value we are storing in that? 9.
9.
Okay, and after that I'm giving an order to it कि जाओ प्रिंट को प्रिंट ये A को प्रिंट कर दे. ठीक है, तो उसने क्या किया, A की whatever the value you have already planned for A, then automatically it is printing that. It is, what is the value? It is printing that A 9. It's inside's value. Fine. It's inside's value. So it is printing 9 there. So what is this? A. What is this A? This is called an identifier. आप इसको identifier भी कह सकते हो, क्योंकि A की जगह जरूरी नहीं है कि हम A ही लेना है. We can take another word also. Number 1, num1, B, C, D, whatever I'm writing here. Let's say मैंने A की जगह अगर यहाँ पर समझ लो ये ले लिया, ना और से कोई दूसरा word ले लिया, 19. Okay. Then after that I'm printing the same statement there. Num. It means it is playing the same thing. It means we can change its name. So that is called identifier. आप इसको कहते हो. Otherwise अगर इसको variable भी कहा जाता है. So for the variable I will discuss it later. Is it okay? If you are defining some names from your side, okay, that is called the identifier, which is fixed in the memory, which has proper particular meaning in the computer. That is called, क्या कहते हैं उसको? Keyword. Is this fine, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, one more thing. देखो बेटा, directly, yeah, I'm really very shocked to know about it कि वहाँ पर तो 67 का ये group दिखा रहा है पूरा and 27 students are here only.
Ma'am, because initially it was the group of 10th students, so they didn't left the group.
Okay. Chalo, let us see. Actually, there will be reshuffling. So in the very starting, we will go through very slowly, okay? Where in the very slow motion, we will do our programs, right? Because we will wait for 2 or 3 days. Let them join. Okay, some students are definitely they will change the streams, but you should know about it, that what is inside to this subject. So I will discuss with you.
Ma'am, there will be practical mostly or theory part also?
Dear, only the practical is there. What do you like? What do you like?
So ma'am,
Ma'am, practical.
Practical. Actually, basically practicals are there because this is the programming language. So basically the practical portion is there. But in the class, especially class 11th, there is a combination of practical and theory both. Technical theory is there. Why the technical theory is there? Let's say if I can tell what is the difference between keyword and identifier? What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? So definitely in the theory term, you will explain all these things. Okay? And few chapters are there for the theory also. जो आप छोटी classes से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. What is computer organizations? What is hardware, software, input, output? ये सारी चीजें. Okay? So basically the main and core course is programming. Python पढ़ेंगे हम बहुत अच्छे से.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other language?
Any
other language?
Other languages in class 12th. DBMS, actually DBMS is there in your class 12th. That is your SQL, MySQL.
Okay.
ठीक है? सारे बच्चे जो मैंने अभी ये किया है, kindly download the Python right now in your computers, all of you, and try all these commands. And after that, kindly click the screenshot and send it me in the chat of the same meeting. ठीक है? Will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कि जितने भी बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं kindly note down and do the same program जो whatever I'm trying to say, क्योंकि I want to know about from your side also कि किस बच्चे को क्या कर पा रहा है वो क्या नहीं कर पा रहा. सबसे पहले मित्र देखो सिंपल सी बात है, दिस इज माय मेथोलॉजी. सब जब तक मैं बच्चों को नहीं समझूंगी कि बच्चों को क्या आता है तो हाउ कैन आई टीच. तो सबसे पहले साइड बाय साइड आई वांट इट फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑल्सो. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, कि वन वे नहीं चलना इसमें. हमें प्रोग्रामिंग में तभी फायदा है जब टू वे हो. कुछ आप डेवलपमेंट करके दिखाओ, कुछ मैं. और बच्चे एक टाइम ऐसा आता है कि जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वो मुझसे भी जल्दी लॉजिक्स पिक करते हैं और फटाफट करके दिखाते हैं. ठीक है? डू इट एंड सेंड मी द पिक्स जो आपको आता है इन द चैट ऑप्शन. और नहीं तो जिन बच्चों को जितना मैंने करा है वो करके दिखाओगे. इज इट फाइन? चलो. Okay, this who is this? एक बच्चे ने भेजा है ना, क्या नाम है उस बच्चे का? भव्य. हाँ, भव्य हसन. Okay, Drishan Hassan, Gautam, very good. Achha. One more thing I will discuss, that as we discussed about it, in this you can use the interpreter directly, okay, for executing that particular command in line by line way. Okay, then you can open a particular file also from the file option, new file. It will open a notepad It will open a notepad there, okay, in your file. If this is the file, here also you can write the same thing. आप क्या लिख सकते हो यहाँ पर? Directly you can write the same thing here, and after that you need to save that file. आप क्या करोगे? Save as पे click करोगे. Otherwise, if you will run that F5 directly, you can use for executing that particular thing. Okay, it will save that file wherever the Python is stored in your computer. Here I'm writing, okay, program 1 dot py is the extension. Kindly note down, py is the extension. Okay, what do you mean by the extension for saving a particular file? Like if you're using
like the file gets stored in that format only.
Yes, in that format only. Okay, so for the Python programs, we always use .py extension for saving that particular file. Okay, prog1.py I'm saving in that. Then after that, it will execute that part also. Okay, F5 जैसे आपने press किया, otherwise आपने run किया, तो run करके module यहाँ पर ये आ जाएगा. देखो welcome आ गया आपका. It will execute that part. Fine. Okay, number 2. We will discuss a little bit more thing here. सबसे पहले, first of all, I will discuss something. We will use some little use of operators also. But there are some symbols, some operators are also there for doing some arithmetic calculations, in your Python programming. Okay, what do you mean by the arithmetic operators? Just like these symbols. Plus, it is used for getting the addition. Minus, it is used for getting subtraction. The very basic things. From the very basic thing we will start just like this. In the same way you can use the multiplication sign. For the multiplication sign you can use the asterisk sign. Star बना होता ना, star in your keyboard. ठीक है?
Yes,
the asterisk sign you can use in that. Okay, and slash is used for the division. For the division. And modular symbol, it means the percentage sign. It is used for getting the remainder. It means if you are dividing two numbers, then what will be the remainder after the division? Okay, fine. Number 2. Let's say here I am doing something कि a equals to 6. मैंने एक अपनी variable लिया. Variable it means एक location ली. In that location, I am taking a equals to 6, b equals to 9, then c equals to, या तो हम इसको भी print करवा सकते हैं, otherwise I am just calculating the sum of these two numbers. c लिया और c के अंदर हमने क्या डाला?
a plus b.
a plus b. Then after that, print c. Can you guess? In the print statement, directly I can write C here. ठीक है? तो इससे क्या होगा? मैं directly I can write the C there. 15 आ गया. Okay. This is, it means these are okay. Now let us discuss these points. What is A, B, and C? These are the kind of memory locations. It means we are providing a particular location there. Let's say if I am telling you, ki beta kindly decide that I want to discuss a program, I want to design a program for taking the sum of two numbers. Not in the programming way. I'm just discussing with you in a very simple way. I'm just going to design my algorithm step by step process में आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि बेटा मुझे दो नंबर का सम निकालना है. Then how will you calculate the sum of two numbers? तो आप सीधा ये कहोगे
memory location.
हाँ नहीं, firstly you definitely you will tell कि मैम we will take two numbers. कि आप हमें दो नंबर तो बताओ तभी तो हम सम निकालेंगे.
Ma'am, we will, ma'am, for two numbers we will take two variables.
We will take two variables there. So these are the variables. It means these are the memory location. In this, you are storing that value. A equals to 6, B equals to 9, C. अब C क्या किया? C के अंदर हमने उन दोनों का sum डाल दिया. यानी C equals to A plus B. It means we are calculating the sum of these two numbers into C. Okay. What do you mean by the equal sign?
That's
It
like
has been assigned the value of.
It assigned the values from right to left. It means हमेशा क्या करता है ये? This is called the assignment operator. जितने भी symbols हैं उनको क्या कहा जाता है? Operators कहा जाता है, जो operate करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं किसी भी values को. Okay, this is called the operator. Okay, this is called the assignment operator. What is the role of assignment operator? I'm not using this operator for the equality. मैं equal के लिए use नहीं कर रही हूँ ये single equal का sign. What is the purpose of this operator? It means I'm storing some right side value to the left side.
yes, ma'am.
ये आपको ये नहीं कह रहा कि a की value क्या 6 के equal है. It is asking only to this point कि I'm assigning some initial value to my A. Okay, fine. In the same way, you can use another operator also. Multiply. So definitely it will give that value 54. Multiplication के लिए. सही कर रहा है ना calculation ये? गलत तो नहीं कर रहा?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. अच्छा, one more thing. You can write. जैसे अब ये 54 आ रहा है. So what is 54? How can we understand that? So you can give some comment also in that. कि sum equals to, देखो, in the previous program I told कि double quotation में mark में जो भी लिखा होता है उसका क्या मतलब होता है? What is
Ma'am,
the
as it is print हो जाती है
as it is, it will print as it is. Okay, and what is the purpose of C?
And to print the value
Ma'am,
of
it will
C.
show the value.
Very good, very good. देखो ठीक है, kindly note down all of you. If we are giving some statement, there are the two kinds of values we are storing. We are giving using the print statement. If we are giving something the double quotation mark, it means its order is there that it needs to print as it is value. जो भी आप इसके अंदर लिख रहे हो, anything you are writing, it will print as it is to the screen. ठीक है, but without double quotation mark, it means its value, जो उसके अंदर मेरी value stored है. अब ये देखो, यही तो मैंने उसे बॉर्डर दिया है कि जो भी दिया है डबल कोटेशन उसने एज इट इज कर दिया और सी की जो वैल्यू स्टोर थी वो शो कर दी. इज देयर एनी डाउट इन दैट? टू एनीवन पूछ लो.
No.
ठीक है. ओके, टिल द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई वांट टू डाउनलोड योर attendance also. Till the next class, kindly or if you download the software in your computers, or एक minute, let me check the your chat option. कितने बच्चों ने मुझे भेजा है करके. I want to check that. आरव आया है, ऐश्वर्या आई है. स्क्रॉल नहीं हो रहा, एक मिनट रुक जाओ, मेरे को स्टॉप शेयरिंग करना पड़ेगा. होगा. ऐश्वर्या, आरव, जयंत, गौतम, कृष्ण, भव्य, ओनली दीज स्टूडेंट्स हैव डन, और बाकी के बच्चों का स्टोर नहीं होगा अभी. कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? आप सबसे पहले बेटा ये काइंडली डाउनलोड दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, राइट? हाँ. Okay, then after that, in the next session we will start the next many things related, many other concept. 28 students are here. I'm just downloading your attendance sheet. अच्छा, ये दृश्यान और कोई भी एक दो बच्चे, नो इश्यूज, वो मैं उनसे बाद में कांटेक्ट करती हूँ. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा नेम, क्योंकि I'm not aware with your name also. Na? So, okay, first of all, you need to send your name all of you. सिर्फ वही बच्चे who have taken computer science and who are in this section. ठीक है? I'm just giving one message. Kindly send your name. I want to continue with my own list. ठीक है? अपना नाम और एक बार रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर दे दोगे, थोड़ा मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा और कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Okay, goodbye. My next class is going to start. Of class देखो आ गए हैं बच्चे.
Ma'am, right
ठीक है?
here or on WhatsApp?
WhatsApp बेटा, WhatsApp. ठीक है? उसके बाद आज अगर वो मीटिंग लिंक से ज्वाइन हो सकते हो आप तो सही है. मेरा थोड़ा सा काम बच जाएगा. अदरवाइज आई नीड टू ज्वाइन वन बाय वन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. ठीक है? I will join.
Thank
Is
you,
this
ma'am.
fine? Aj, have we, is there the concepts clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What we discuss in the class? What we discuss in the class? Okay, kindly download the software first of all of you. Then after that, we will discuss other and many points. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There will be one by one sharing actually. Some programs I will share from my side and some programs you will share from your side. So definitely we will get the good and more programming concepts.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo, goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank
ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.